Hey guys, I am so excited. I got my first Cricut mystery box. I've been trying for a while to get one of these and they always are sold out. So if you haven't gotten your box if you didn't get this mystery box, this one is called Land of the Free. Oops, I can't see it. Land of the Free mystery box. So all the tape and stuff is still in here, so you get to see it at the same time I do. So let's find out what kind of fun stuff is in here. So I don't know if any of you have gotten a mystery box from Cricut before. If you have, what did you think about your mystery box? I'm super excited to see what's in here. Alright. Let's put the cap back on this so I don't stab myself. Alright. Here we go. Ooh, I got it. Did I get it? Yeah. Alright. Here we go. Ah, look at all that red and white and blue. Okay. Let's get this out of here. Alright, so we've got the Everyday Iron-On. The nice little stars with the blue background. How cute is that? That's a very nice blue vinyl. And then we've got red vinyl, tomato red. White premium vinyl. Oh yes, holographic is my favorite. So we've got like a holographic sparkle iron-on. This one is yeah, it's just a red sparkle holographic iron-on from them. And then we've got the blue sparkle iron-on, holographic iron-on. And oh yay, we got some pins. Nice, nice, nice pens. And then we have a blade replacement blade in there. And what else do we have? So this, so we've got a little felt sampler. So that's cool. Have to see what I can make using this felt. And then here, oh, it's a Martha Stewart collection. Mixed materials, so it's permanent, so premium vinyl cardstock, so permanent vinyl cardstock and transfer tape. I'll use my blade for this one, just so we can take a look. Alright. Oop, I missed it. I'm going to mess up this vinyl already. Okay. So there are 9 sheets. So we've got blue, white, there's some blue cardstock there, blue cardstock, and then some of their transfer tape. That's super awesome. I wish I would have got a cutie, but this is still really cool stuff in here. I'm excited to try this stuff out. Got some new pens, got a new blade. Can never go wrong with getting a new blade. And then of course, we've got iron-on vinyl and the permanent vinyl. So just in time for the 4th of July, so I'll have to see what I can come up with to use these. That's super cool. I really enjoyed everything that I've gotten here. I'm excited to use all of this. What did you guys think about this box? Let me know in the comments.